I literally climbed a trail that's pretty well worn the last 20-30 feet. Vulture! He's coming around the bend. Well, this is a great looking spot for launching a drone. I think a lot of people have been up here. The rock wouldn't look so crumbly. Probably. Whew. Oh, that is an overlook. There's a chain up here for something at one time. It's not an unused overlook. Oh, that's a deathly fall. Whew. Scary. Yeah, I shouldn't have to overlook it. Just use the drone. Might be a little bright for that drone. Not sure. Heck of a look. See what's on the other side. Alright, got into some shade here. I saw a tower, and it almost looks like a house up ahead too. Somebody is able to drive up here. Yeah, it's a big tower. So some people decided to graffiti "I am beautiful" in different colors too. Not your standard black colors. On some, looks almost like a military box. Love Home Slice Media Group license. Okay. Looks like somebody took the time to beat on that. What kind of people have been up here? That's really unprovoked. And usually for these type of towers, they'll have a fence around them, but I guess maybe they don't expect many people to come up here. This is about the highest point. Exactly where the cell tower would want to set up. So it's not very large. A relay from one side of the mountain to over to the other. And I think I'm looking at Walmart. Stopped parking there after the first night or two. My mistake. Walmart is to the left of that. So I stayed there 2 nights, and I was trying to like really find a way to get up to this area from there, stay parked there and walk this way. But I like my park spot. It's the official park spot. There's a lot of activity down there. That sign said that there's no camping out here, but you totally could if you came up to the very top. Nobody's gonna check this. It's reflected in the time too, but I can also say it that I've spent a lot of time on this mountain overlooking different parts. I can look on all sides. This is just another one. It's pretty cool. It's pretty peaceful. Only one person's walked by. Here's this bug that makes a slapping noise. I saw it for a split second. Staying quiet now. Oh, there it is. It's like a cicada. Yeah, they're very finicky. And it's got wings and it walks. Alright, so this is the side facing the city, and a couple of people have locked their chairs to this tree which is fallen apart with a cable lock and a master. It looks like it. Ouch! It's been a while. They're in bad shape. If an accident ever happened on this highway, I would be poised to fly my drone over it and get a cool look at that. But that would be timing that would be too perfect. Alright, I don't recall the cinquefoil having these sack-like things. Strange. Maybe it's a different kind of cinquefoil? Some people bring their canvas and paints or charcoal etching pencils to do some artistry on the mountain. I like to bring the drone. I hang out on this cliffside all day. There's a turkey with little babies. Oh, it disappeared. Oh no, it's there. So the turkey's got to move kind of slow because its baby's already whining about, oh my god, what are those? Turkeys? So there's different turkey ages, so I got to be careful about the turkeys. I got one on the trail, and it's just gonna sit there all quiet and stuff, like I don't see it, because it's just a juvenile on the trail. Okay, I see you. I see you. Excuse me, I see you. You hear me? I see you. You're right there. You're right there. I see you. You're just gonna follow the trail? That's it? And this turkey is all mad about me. That's a good hiding spot, under the rock. Wait, I don't see him. Where? Oh, I see, right in the corner. They're in the corner. Good. Your single baby turkey, but there were like middle-aged juveniles too. So I don't know if they lay multiple eggs or something. Wherever hemlock thrives, motherwort might thrive. See, there's hemlock and motherwort and hemlock and catnip in this dark wooded area. I think I'm gonna grab some. Right, I can see the exit way over there. I missed my turn. I'm on a bicycle trail, but I think I see this shortcut maybe. See how it goes. Alright, this is an interesting plant. I don't know what to think of it exactly. I can just pull off the yellow stuff. Have a good taste of it. And it's got a good taste to me. There's nothing sweet about it. It's like, it's got a kind of a medicine-y taste. The yellow things. If you find a decent field like this one, you can collect a lot of that yellow stuff. It's got quite a taste to it. Well, I only picked off one tick so far, but the others may have reached my back before I could catch them. I don't know how I'm gonna pull ticks off my back. So this watering thing is what they crowd around, and somehow a bird died in it. That can't be good. Heading back to the car. This might be a pretty decent town where the farmer actually still allows people to walk in between the cows practically, because some jerk could keep this door open. I don't know if the cows will venture in, but somebody could play a practical joke and keep that door open. I don't know if it's happened, but it's something that could really ruin the relationship between tourist and farmer. Look up Elias Grimsley. They want to be famous. I feel like I have some kind of a heartworm. There's something lodged in my heart. Every so often I feel it. I strongly suspect that it's the yellow flower things off of that grass, that wheat grass. Those little flower, whatever the things that dangle. Because this heart problem didn't, it seems like it started developing about that time, because I noticed a weak heart feeling when I initially tried that yellow stuff off the grass, and then I tried a lot more of it yesterday in the evening, and this heart problem got much worse. I had a little bit and had a little heart problem, so I'm thinking that might be the problem. There might be something in that yellow flower. It had quite a taste. That's unique, but I think it attacks the heart. I need to look into glycosides again. I think maybe that the like little flower stamen, whatever the thing that the grass grows, is dangerous, and it has glycosides. Glycosides attack the heart directly. You know, I still trust that the grass leaves are safe, but when it's like blooming, those yellow weird flower things, those are not to be messed with.